Provo City's Charitable Contribution Drive is really our way of giving back to the community that we live and work in. Each department is assigned to gather food and gather money from their employees, and every year we work with the food bank, and it's the busiest place around this season, and so we're happy to help them out as a city and to be part of the community. We ended up getting 18,048 pounds of food donated just from city employees. That's over 9 tons of food that we were able to give to the food bank for people in need. We also gathered coats for a coat drive as part of the event and donated all those coats to Deseret Industries. Where the food bank is located right in our community, it's important for us to keep it supplied and to keep people fed and housed and warm in the winter. It's not just about the poundage or the amount of money, it's really about making sure that people are taken care of in our community, that we can help them and provide for them.